Hello, welcome to the session on hair and scalp analysis. Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of the session, you will be able to carry out hair analysis for hair cutting, carry out scalp analysis. The tools, equipment, and machines required are 1 towel, 1 plastic or glass bowl, 1 face clean sheet or blanket, 1 plastic spatula, 1 high frequency machine, 1 facial bed, cotton as per need, cleansing milk as per need, disposable towel or tissue as per need, antiseptic lotion or astringent as per need. Before haircut, hair analysis is essential to determine the most suitable haircut, styling techniques, and products to use. Hair analysis helps determine the client's hair type, whether it's straight, wavy, curly, or tightly coiled. Understanding the natural texture of the hair allows you to choose suitable haircut techniques and styles that will work best for the client's hair type. The 4 characteristics that need to be considered to determine the behavior of the hair are hairlines, hair growth patterns, hair density, and hair texture. First, let's look at hairline. It refers to the hair that grows at the outermost perimeter along the face, around the ears, and on the neck. Hair growth pattern is another characteristic. This is the direction in which hair naturally grows from the scalp. It is also referred to as the natural fall or natural falling position. Next is hair density. It refers to the quantity of individual hair strands found on 1 square inch of the scalp and is commonly categorized as thin, medium, or thick. And hair texture is referred to the diameter of each hair strand, which is described as coarse, medium, or fine. Hair analysis helps determine the porosity of the hair, which refers to its ability to absorb and retain moisture. Hair analysis can also involve assessing the client's scalp condition. It helps identify any issues like dandruff, dryness, oiliness, or scalp sensitivity. This knowledge helps you to recommend appropriate products and treatments to maintain a healthy scalp environment. Hair analysis allows you to identify any previous chemical treatments the client has undergone, such as coloring, perming, or straightening. Scalp analysis is an important process before treating client's hair. So, it is vital to note that an abnormal scalp and hair condition require more careful analysis to give the appropriate scalp and hair treatment. Basically, it is vital to check for any allergy or wounds in the scalp, with the help of magnifying lamp or with naked eyes. After collecting all the details, fill the client's record. Then, prepare the client by greeting and making them comfortable. After that, explain them about the purpose and benefits of scalp analysis. Now, it is important to ensure that the client's hair is dry and clean. Once done, divide the hair into small sections using clips or headbands. This helps for a systemic and thorough analysis of the entire scalp. The next step is to inspect the scalp. This can initially be done with naked eyes to identify any visible redness, inflammation, flaking, or lesions. It will also help to observe for any signs of dryness, oiliness, or product buildup. For further examination, magnifying tools can be used like a handheld microscope. In-depth analysis like these can be performed through a high-frequency machine so that more specific treatment can be given to the client's scalp and hair. This device is used to stimulate the scalp skin with the help of a mild electrical current. The current helps to tone the skin while rejuvenating and oxygenating it. There are different sizes and shapes in this machine. For scalp analysis, the comb-shaped electrode is used to remove germs from the scalp and also to give dandruff treatment. After a head massage with fingertips and palm, and combing the hair with a wide-toothed comb for 15 minutes, high-frequency machine treatment can be given to the client. After testing all the necessary requirements, it is vital to assess the scalp and hair health. Evaluate the overall health of the scalp, including the factors like pH balance, hydration levels, and sebum production. Also, observe the hair strands for signs of damage, breakage, or excessive hair loss. Once analyzing all the test results, share the findings of the scalp analysis with the client. Offer recommendations for treatments or hair care products based on the analysis results. Client's data is very important, so keep a record of the analysis for reference and tracking. Also, educate the clients with tips on proper cleansing, conditioning, and styling techniques. Advise on lifestyle factors that may impact scalp health, such as diet, stress, and hygiene practices, and a follow-up schedule can be given to the client. Let's recap the key points discussed. Hair analysis determines the most suitable haircut, styling techniques, and products to be used. Inspect the scalp for any disorders with magnifying lamp or naked eyes. Educate the clients with tips on proper cleansing, conditioning, styling techniques, and lifestyle factors. This brings us to the end of the session. Hope you have gained a good understanding about hair and scalp analysis. See you in the next session.